Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today's videos, we're gonna do unboxing. Are you ready to see what I got? Ta-da! Pop Mart! They just dropped the brand new Labubu and we're gonna open this up and let me show you what is in this bag. Okay, the first item we're gonna open is ta-la. I don't even need to open this. You can just see it front here, the display case. This is the Monster Let's Checkmate series vinyl plushie hanging card. So basically it's a yellow Labubu, you can see her. And then she's wearing a really cute crown, a pink heart. And she's holding a heart. I don't know if you can see it. And it's wrapped with the ribbons. Super adorable. And this is retail for $39.99, but it's really hard to find. They just released this today and we were able to find some, and I can't believe that. One per customer basically. How cute is this? I'm not gonna open this because as you can see, it's from the case here already. But the next item, we are going to open that. That is gonna be amazing. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is the brand new Monster Let's Checkmate series vinyl plushie doll Labubu. The new oh my god, look at this, brand new Labubu. Oh my gosh. Oops, I just cut myself a little bit. Okay, I think the last time they released this size was the purple one, and that purple one only released and then you never see it again. They never restock. So I don't know, is this gonna be a limited edition or not? If you know, leave a comment down below, let me know. But I know any plush like this is really, really hard to find. Look at this. I'm just looking at it. This is so adorable. Okay, so let me turn the cameras around. You can see how we're gonna unbox this, okay? Oh, you see that? There's a little jewelry box in here. Okay, let's open him up. You know, once I opened, he is mine. Oh my god, this is so adorable. So when you open it, there's a little ID card right here. Let's pull this out, see what this is say. Okay, let's checkmate. It's cute. Okay, we're gonna put this back in here. I don't want to damage this. Okay, and then we're gonna open this up, and then we're gonna. Oh my gosh, cute. Voila! So the eyes move. And what's really cool about the Labubu like this eyes is a little bit different design. Okay, let me see how we're gonna open this. Look at that. Look at this. I'm gonna open this one here. I guess I need to push this out. Okay, there we go. Halfway. Need to push this out. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, this is the hardest one to open. Look at this, there's more. Struggle is real. Struggle is real. It's so soft. So soft. Okay. Push this up. Okay, now I was able to remove the jewelry box. I just opened. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just cut it. Since I'm keeping this for myself, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, look. Would you marry me? Wait, there's nothing in here. What the hell? Okay. So we're gonna cut this here. Okay. How do I get this out? Oh my gosh. difference. Look at all this detail. You see this little hole right here? Jesus, okay. I got it. I got it. We opened this now. Yay. So this Labubu Monster Checkmate series. And then let's remove the little plastic. He's so cute. Okay, so can he stand up? So I was watching the video. You can remove the hat. It's a stitch down, but if you cut it, you can remove this, but I think I want to keep it. Look at here, it says Labubu, the crown, and the gold hearts. Very, very soft plushie. The eyes move a little bit like that. 90, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And she's wearing the, oh, wait, she can stand. So she's wearing this beautiful cape. See this? Oh my God, this is so cute. So, hey, sister. It's about the same size. It's about the same size. But you can see the difference in the eyes. The Falling Wild, inside the eyes is all the plant that she's looking at. But this one is the chest. And then it's different. This is almost like a Zimomo hair, almost like a secret hair color. And I know you can open this up. Let me see, how do I do this? Oh, it's you just tie this together. Comes right off. And then this comes right off. I'm nakeding my baby here. Oh my God, look at this, so cute. Look at the pink nose, a little freckle right here, freckles here, freckles here. It's cute. Which one do you think is cuter? Checkmate or Falling Wild? I mean, so cute. I mean, having a hard time let her stand. I don't know why. I think her head is too, okay, they kind of stand. So that's a Zimomo. Zimomo have a tail, just so you guys know that. And this is the cape. I'm gonna put this back on. It's she's the queen. She's the queen. So adorable. Too bad that she can't hold. Oh, you know what? I think she could probably hold this here. Oh, I see what I do. I see what I do. You can put this here in her little hand. I'm gonna put this one here. Wait a minute. Struggling is real, my friends. The struggle is real here. Anyway, so she can carry that like this. Having a hard time let her stand though. And I noticed the top here, I guess need to brush her hair a little bit to make us more realistic looking. But yeah, what do you think? Do you think she's cute? I think she's adorable. She's so cute. So, yeah. So let me know, you spend $115 to get this Labubu. I think she's cute. She's my baby. She's my baby. Checkmate, that's the name. That's her name here. Brand new launch from Labubu. The first time first time Partmark create jewelry box. It's cute, you know. Look at the eyes. It's so adorable. I just love it. I love it. Yay! I'm so happy. Like little kids here. So come on, leave a comment below. I cannot be the only one like Labubu, right? You probably like Labubu too. So if you do, let me know. What do you collect? What you're looking for? It's hard to buy Labubu in your country. It's actually pretty hard to buy this in the USA. I have 6 people try to get this for me in the same time. Only 1 person was able to get those 2 items for me. So anyway, I hope you liked this video showing you brand new Labubu Let's Checkmate Final Face Doll. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here. Turn on the notification bell so time of day I release my video. I'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.